been a while since the last update due to a couple of big events taking up our time. One particular one was tragic enough that I almost decided not to do an update altogether, but we'll talk about that one later. The first set of kittens to be rehomed were Oreo and Bluey. That meant that only Lily, Sky, and Rascal remained. But it wasn't too long before Lily and Sky were taken together as a pair, leaving Rascal all by himself. I asked both new owners to send a picture of the cats in about a month or so to check on their growth. The owner of Oreo and Bluey never got back to me on any of my messages, so I fear that they may have not gone to the best home. Lily and Sky's owner, on the other hand, sent a day one picture of them that you can see here at their new home, followed by another one of them about 2 weeks later. Unfortunately, through all of this, Autumn, our calico, got extremely ill with coccidia. She lost weight rapidly, and even after multiple emergency vet visits, she passed away on the 4th of August. I would like to think that she had a very fun-filled month with us. Unfortunately, illness can spread, and sometimes doing a good thing, like saving homeless animals, backfires. Nobody seemed interested in Rascal, apart from some scumbag that tried to barter me down to $10 from my original ask of $20. I think 20 was generous enough. My mom took him into her own home as a pet instead.
He's not like an...
He's panting like a dog because it's so damn hot in here. We got the AC on, pal. Don't worry. Alright, you're at your new home here, Rascal. Welcome home!
He's got it. I'm just kidding.
It's little Kane. Should call him Raising Canes. That's a better idea.
Ew.
How cute is he? Is he cuter than he thought?
He's way cuter than I thought.
Yeah, he did it.
He's a little scared.
You don't sleep on the under the bed, you sleep on the bed.
Oh, he's all ready.
There's no water in there, your water's next to it.
Thank goodness he got one of those. He likes putting his feet
Oh,
on
yeah.
his food sometimes.
Like what?
Putting his feet on his food.
Where'd he go?
Behind the bed.
Oh,
He's really good at using the little...
Yeah. It won't be, it's not really the same kind of litter, but I'm sure he'll get the message.
He's scared.
back there?
No.
No, he's gonna hide from us back there. He's just looking up at the camera. He hasn't had so much room. I'm sure we'll be seeing more of him around this channel.
Your baby!
Jeez. Yeah, I know. We have one bitey cat.
I have one bitey cat too.